In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import skies into Luminar NEO. If you love the Sky AI tool for sky replacement, but want to use your own sky photos, this walkthrough shows you how to add a single sky on the fly and how to import a whole collection for easy reuse. Start by opening a photo in Luminar NEO and switching to the Edit tab. On the right-hand side, find and open the Sky AI tool. You'll see a sky selection drop-down that lists the built-in skies. To add one of your own, scroll to the bottom of that list and click the plus icon, sometimes labeled Add. A system browser window opens. Navigate to a sky image on your computer, select a JPEG, and confirm. Luminar NEO adds that file to your available skies instantly. Now, when you open the sky selection drop-down, your imported sky appears in the list ready for replacement. From there, you can continue refining your edit with the usual Sky AI controls. But the key step, bringing your sky into the library, is already done. If you have many skies to load at once, it's faster to use the Custom Skies folder. With Sky AI open, click the Sky Selection drop-down and choose Show Custom Skies. Luminar NEO will open the dedicated folder on your computer. Simply drag and drop your Sky JPEG files into this folder. You can create subfolders to keep things organized by weather, time of day, or location. When you return to Luminar NEO, your skies will appear under the Custom section of the Sky AI library, preserving any folder structure you created. Pick the one you want and apply it just like the built-in options. A few quick tips will help you get great results. Use JPEG images, ideally with the short edge around 1200 pixels or larger, so the replacement looks crisp without slowing your workflow. For smoother performance, keep the number of custom skies manageable. The official guidance is to stay under roughly 50 at a time. If something doesn't show, confirm it's a JPEG and that it's inside the Custom Skies folder. Thoughtful naming and subfolders make it much easier to find the perfect sky when you're editing under a deadline. That's it. Your own skies are now ready to use in Sky AI.